guys, I welcome you all to my channel, and today I'm going to do a product review. Let me just show you what is the product. So the product is this Revlon Pro Collection One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So I purchased this on Amazon. I do have Amazon Prime account, but it took about 9 days to arrive. So I ordered on November 29th, and I just received on today is 7th December. So it took about 9-10 days. I pay $37.49 for this product, and this is Revlon brand. And there are so many brands they're selling on Amazon. So if you're just looking for Revlon, you want to make sure, because they all look like similar. They all look exact same, black and pink. So even though I was almost about to order a different brand, but I did not, because I did not want it to, I don't trust it. They had a good review, but I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. I have never heard about those brands, so I was like, okay, if I'm buying it, I'm gonna go off Revlon, because I have use hair dryers from Revlon brand. So today I ordered this one, and so I'm going to do product review and see, because I have a really good stuff about this product. So I'm going to use it today and show you if it's really good. So let me just show you the brush itself first. So this is the brush, and it is huge brush. You can see if I try to hold it, the brush, it's still like need 2 hands. So it's pretty good size. So I don't know how it's gonna work. I washed my hair today, so it's good, but then I just wetted just to see how this result. My hair usually is curly when it's wet, and I don't use hair dryer, so as you can see it's a little curly. So they are usually curlier hair, and if I do blow dry, I have to spend good amount of time blowing and using comb. So I thought spending money into this combo is a good idea. But and then this one has the 3 setting here. It's the high, low, cool, and off. So once I already plugged in, and that's the cable. So once you plug in, I guess you have to press this. I just tried like once just to turn it on. So once you plug in this, you have to press either one switch to turn it on, and then you can change the setting from here if you want to go high, low, or off, or cool. So whatever setting you want to use, you can do it. So let's just, enough talking, and let's just start using it and see how it works. I will wet my hair more. Okay, I think it's wet enough. You can see its original curl. So I want to do sections. Let's try. And one quick thing I want to show, today is December 7, 2019. So I just logged in today just to see how much it is. So when I purchased on November 29th, it was $37.49, and now today is $41.49. So price has changed a little bit for this brand. So I don't know about others, but I just wanted to let you know. Okay, so I pressed the red button that I showed you on the plug, and let's start from the low speed first. It is loud. It's good. I'm going to turn it up on high and see how it works. Wow, it's fast, I would say. Look at this, undone, and this is done, and it's like so quickly. And I can tell you guys, it can give better result than this because my hair was not completely wet. So I think it's doing a really good job, as you can see. If I use hair dryer instead of this, it takes forever to do that much. So I think I'm happy so far, but let's see the rest of the hair. But good suggestion to, if your hair are tangly, you want to untangle first and then use it. And I'm gonna use this. And high is a little hotter side, so. Perfect. It works so good, as you can see my hair. Wow, and it is so quick. I did not believe. I can tell you, really, if I use my hair dryer completely, spending triple the time than this tool. So oh my god, I am in love with this already. And tips from using it, it's still hot, so it takes maybe a couple seconds to heat up. So use on low speed the most you can, and this thing can heat up really quick. Like once you get really hot, it is pretty consistent. So you want to make sure you use heat protecting serum or spray, whatever you're using, to protect your hair, otherwise it can burn. So I don't know, this has like a acid damaging system in it. It does say on it, it does say less time, less damage. I love this combo, one step hair dryer and volumizer combo, all in one, whatever you call it. It's Revlon brand. I'm using it. I loved it. And look at my hair, is so shiny, guys. And I did not prep my hair at all, so it was dry, and then I just put hair like moisturizer, like a water on my hair to just make it wet a little bit so I can do a video. But it was not completely wet, so I guess that's, it's not like so straight. You can see here a little bit, it's wavy, and maybe here a little bit of waves. But I think if you wash your hair when your hair are completely wet, it will give better results. So my hair, I did not wet it over here, so that's why it's still wavy here. It's, I don't know if you can see in my camera, but I can see it's still, this part is a little wavy, but because I did not use I didn't wet my hair and didn't use it. But this hair was a little wet here and there, and then it still worked really good. So I think if you have completely wet hair, it's gonna work so good. So I would say you should invest money buying this product. I loved it, and this is, from me, is just definitely buy, so you don't have to worry about buying those combs and the best hair dryers. I think spending more than $50 in dryer is silly, but spending at least $30 to $40 into this is worth it. Get this. If you have a long hair, definitely needed item. So I'm so happy that I did. Again, today is the price 41 something on the Amazon. When I bought it was 37 something. So I don't know if it's gonna go down, but if you guys want to buy from Amazon, I can leave link in the description box. You can go and buy from there. And I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can bring more videos. I know my channel is new, but if you guys help me, I can grow fast and I can bring more product review for you. So bye.